Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry, in the last recording, I had to stop it. So I'm again recording the rest of this lesson 24. And in lesson 24, we were learning how to express the Aerab of different forms of present tense. So far we are on regular form of present tense, and in regular form of present tense we have three different categories in the present tense conjugation. The first category that we are doing is the one in which the regular form or marfu form of present tense ends in dhamma. So dhamma tells us that it is marfu, fe'l mudari marfu, and in this category. And this category is called af'alul arba. So in huwa form, we say that yaf'alu is fe'lun mudari'un marfuun bid dhamma. Fa'il mustatir taqdiruhu huwa. Fa'il, who is fa'il? Fa'il is hidden. It's hidden. It's not apparent. It's not visible, and it is hidden, and it is estimated to be huwa. And in here, the same wording again. Here form, same wording. Taf'alu. Here form is for the same root letter fa'ala. The same root letter. Present tense is taf'alu. Regular form. Present tense is taf'alu regular form, and taf'alu is fa'lun mudari'un marfuun bid dhamma. Fa'il mustatir taqdiruhu here. And then taf'alu, the context will tell us that is it here form or the anta form. So again, taf'alu fi'l mudari marfu bid dhamma, fa'il mustatir taqdiruhu anta. And then af'alu, same wording. Af'alu is again fi'lun mudari'un marfuun bid dhamma wal fa'ilu zamirun mustatir taqdiruhu ana. And nahnu, in nahnu the alamat mudari is noon. And in ana form, we have alamat mudari hamza. So af'alu is the file is hidden and estimated to be ana. And in naf'alu, again, file is hidden but estimated to be nahnu in naf'alu. Okay, that's how we do Arab. In regular form of af'alul arba, the first category, af'alul arba. The second category that we see, that we find in conjugation of fi'l mudari, is the category in which we find noon at the end of fi'l mudari in regular form, and we don't find noon. We don't find noon at the end of fi'l mudari in light and lightest form. So if noon is present, it is an evidence of the regular form. Okay, so sabut, we sabut in noon. The noon is the sabut or evidence of fi'l mudari being in regular form or marfu form. So that's why we use this word bi sabut in noon. Okay, so we have huma, two huma, and hum, antuma, antum, two antuma, and anti. Okay, so total 7, but because tafalani comes 3 times, that's why we count only one tafalani and say that it's the afalul khamsa, 5 afal. Okay, so yafalani, huma yafalani. two males, third person. They, but they are in two number. Failun mudariun marfuun bi subutin noon. And this alif musanna is the file, the doer. Okay. This alif musanna in yaf'alani, taf'alani, taf'alani, taf'alani. In this alif musanna is the file, the doer. Okay. And wal alifu fi mahalli rafin file. Okay. So this is in yaf'aluna, again, faili mudariun marfoon bi sabuti noon. Why marfu? Because why this is marfu mudare, the regular mudare? Because noon is there. We can see noon. So be subutin noon. And that's how we say the Aerab of this category in regular form. Fili mudariun marfoon bi subuti noon. And in dual form, yafalani, tafalani, tafalani, the alif musanna is the file, and in plural form, yafaluna and tafaluna, the vowel jama is the doer. This vow is the doer. This vow is the doer. Vowel jama. And in tafalina, this ya is the doer. Wal ya al-failu fi mahalli rafi. So that's how we do the Aerab. And then we have the third category. And in regular form, we say in all form, fi'l mudari mabni ala sukun. If it's in the sentence, it is used as a regular form, then we say fi mahalli rafin. Okay. فعل مضارع فعل مضارع مبني على السكون في محل رفع. And this noon here noon is not the evidence of regular form or rafa status, but here noon is the file, noon niswa. In hunna and antunna form, the noon at the end is the actual doer, the file. So this is the doer in yaf'alna and taf'alna. So we are going to say failun mudariun mabniun ala sukun fi mahalli rafin if it's in regular form. If in the sentence it is used as a regular form, because it's gonna look the same. Yaf'alna, taf'alna, it's gonna look the same whether it's a rafa, nasb or jazm. Marfu, mansub or majzum form. Okay, so far we have done Aerab for present tense regular form. Aerabul fi'l mudari marfu. Okay, so marfu form so far we did, and this is the all together. So you can see that the blue one are afalul arba, yafalu, tafalu, tafalu, afalu, nafalu, and over here we say that this is marfu bid dhamma. We say that this afalu is present tense or fi'l mudari marfu bid dhamma, and when noon is there, then we say fi'lun mudariun marfuun bi subuti noon. And in hunna, in yaf'alna, taf'alna, hunna and antunna version, we say that it is mabniun ala sukun. Mabni, fixed, or as is, as it was built. So this is all about the Aerab for regular form of fi'l mudari, regular present tense or fi'lun mudariun marfu. And then we are going on to the mansub or the light form, present tense light form. In present tense light form, we are going to say the same thing, but we are going to use mansoob instead of marfu because it is in nasab form, right? So yaf'ala, taf'ala, taf'ala, af'ala, naf'ala. And why they are changed into nasab form? Because they are coming together with any of one of these huruf, an, lan, likai, izan, and hatta. So here, how we are going to say the Arab of this? Failun yaf'ala, failun mudari'un, mansubun bil fatha. Bil fatha, and with fatha, it is mansub. And again, file is again in these five af'al. File is always hidden, and it's a taqdiri. Taqdiri means estimated. And then af'alul khamsa, actually 7 in number. So we don't see noon now. Yaf'ala, yaf'alu, taf'ala, 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 taf'alu, taf'ali, taf'ala. So these are 7 af'alul khamsa, 7 in number, but they are called af'alul khamsa. And the Arab goes like this. Failun mudariun mansubun bi hazafin noon. Because the noon is dropped. Now we don't see noon over here. So noon has been hazaf or is dropped. So noon is dropped to make it light. And we are saying that it is in the light form because this fail is coming with one of the these huruf. Hurufun nawasibul mudari. And then the third form, yafalna, same, failun mudariun, mabniun ala sukun fi mahalli nasb. Now, because this fail is coming with one of these harf, then one of these huruf, then we are saying that it is fi mahalli nasbin. And then okay, so this is about the mansub or the light form of present tense. And then let's move on to the Arab of the lightest form of present tense. So lightest form of present tense, we know that these notes are from another course. It's not from Dream, it's from Madinah course. And the this is in Dream course, in Dream curriculum, we saw that in lam, lamma, wal, falli. And wal, falli is the same as lamul amr. So we can say wal, falli. We can also say lamul amr. Lamu amr for wal, falli. And lam nahiya is separate. That's forbidden. In Dream program, it's a separate type. Remember, we, in the very beginning, we learned that there are 3 types of afal, 3 types of fail, fail madi, fail mudare, and then commanding and forbidding. So la nahiya comes under forbidding. Okay, so okay, now majzoom form, the lightest form of present tense, and in the lightest form we are saying because they are coming with either in, lam, lamma, or they are following wal, fal, li. And 5 in your pocket or afalul arba, they have sukoon at the end. Initially, in regular form, these fail had dhamma, but now in majzoom form, there is sukoon or jazm at the end. So we are going to say فعل مضارع مجزوم بالسكون. فعل مضارع مجزوم بالسكون. So and file again, file مستتر تقديره هو. يفعل تقديره هو. إن تفعل فاعل مستتر تقديره هي. And again تفعل تفعل and تفعل. إن تفعل فعل مضارع مجزوم بالسكون فاعل مستتر تقديره أنت. So again from the context we can see that is it in here form or anta form. And then the second category, afalul khamsa, where we see noon at the end, but in lightest form there is no noon. So that's why we say that it is majzoom bi hazafin noon. Bi hazafin noon, majzoom because it is lightest and the noon has been dropped. So fi'l mudari majzoom bi hazafi noon, and alif is the doer. Wal alfi fi mahalli rafin fa'ilun. In yafalu, the waw, this waw jama is the doer. Wal waw fi mahalli rafin fa'ilun. So that's how the Aerab is done, or we express the Aerab of lightest form of present tense. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we are going to focus on the inside doer and the outside doer, inshallah. So I hope you learn these Aerab of different modes or different forms of present tense, and inshallah I'll meet in lesson 15 video. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.